Whew. Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. I know I've been gone for like a while. What happened was school kind of took over my life and so did work, but now it's a new year and it is my resolution to upload more and produce more content for you guys. What do we got today? Today I have a, let me just say, humongous makeup haul for you guys. I have a shopping problem, as does every girl on this planet. So this is kind of what I've gotten makeup wise the last month of December. So it includes some Christmas gifts, some shopping that I did like throughout the month and stuff. I had to restock on a lot of things. Like all of my makeup just decided to just become empty all at the same time. And let's get right into it. First off, like I don't know if you guys know, but Sephora does like the VIB Rouge kind of thing. Being the makeup addict that I am, I have the VIB Rouge card. So I needed to spend $1 more in order to keep on with my membership, or else I would lose it and I had to start all over again. I decided to stock up on skincare. I've been really interested in the Fresh skincare line. I took advantage because they had a lot of holiday kits and stuff. But the first thing that was not holiday was I got the Fresh Rose Deep Hydration Facial Toner. So this is like really cool. I've seen a lot of vloggers talk about this. So it basically has like real rose petals inside. It's supposed to tone your face and take off any excess makeup that you may have, even out your complexion and stuff like that. I'm really excited to use that. I'll let you guys know like how I like it. Maybe I'll have like an upcoming skincare routine. Alright, so the next thing I got was a little kit that came out for Christmas. The Fresh Soy Face Cleanser. Really like gentle and stuff, and I like heard a lot of good things about it too. The next thing that this came with was the Fresh Black Tea Instant Perfecting Mask. I'm excited to use this as well. I really hope that if I use this, it'll help with my impurities and stuff so I can get away with natural skin, because that's the new thing, just having natural skin. The last thing that this kit came with was the Fresh Black Tea Age Delay Black Concentrate. This I'm really excited about because I have a lot of dark circles under my eyes, so this really helps with that. It'd be really cool to like have beautiful skin and just to show that off every single day. Alright, so the last thing that I got from Fresh was another like holiday set, and like I really took advantage because Fresh is like expensive and all like holiday deals and stuff like that. So I got this little thing. So again, it comes with the soy face cleanser. It also comes with a rose face mask. I really have been into like roses and stuff, like the Mario Badescu rose water spray. Also it comes with the Lotus Youth Preserve face cream. So that's really nice because, you know, you can never have like a good moisturizer. Also, side note, I've been using vitamin E oil before I do my makeup. After I wash my face and I'm gonna do my makeup, I put vitamin E oil, let it soak in. So I'll do like my hair, or I'll clean up my room, like make my bed or watch Netflix, you know, rewatching that Gossip Girl. Once it's like soaked in, then I like to put on my primer. You know, you're like treating your skin and you're really like pampering your skin and nourishing it. So that's another thing that I've been doing. So moving on from skincare, for Christmas I got makeup. I'm just gonna show you one of the products. This one's like my favorite makeup product that I got. So I got the Kylie Cosmetics Red Velvet lipstick, and it is so pretty. Like I love it so much. My boyfriend gave this to me and like he knew that like I was obsessed with this color. It's basically like a fire red and it's like in your face, so it's just like really pretty red color, and comes with the lip liner as well as all her lip kits do. And the packaging is really pretty, very luxurious as always. I like her velvet better, even though they don't dry down completely. It leaves your lips looking like very like moisturized and not as like drying, and like, you know, like liquid lipsticks kind of leave like lines in your lips and like cracks, makes your lips dry. This makes your lips look nice. Hi, I am filming a video. Moving on with the holiday theme and deals and like, you know, all of that jazz. I got my hands on this really pretty Morphe palette. It's the 15D Day Slayer. I don't know if they still have this like available, but oh my gosh, this is really perfect for those who like really basic pretty colors, but at the same time you're on a budget. You could throw it in your purse really easily. It's gorgeous. Morphe is a great brand. I love Morphe so much. Guys, like the colors are so pretty. Like they're oranges and like neutrals and like bronzy colors, and then like they have like darker browns. Like you can do so much with this eye look, and I love orangey shades because for me at least it makes my eyes pop a lot because I have like little honey tint. It like makes my eyes stand out, so I really like this palette. It is so perfect, so like, oh, I can do like 3 different looks using this palette. So if you guys want to see that, just comment that down below. I'll be sure to upload a video like that for you guys. It'll be easy, it'll be fun, it'll be cute. I like it. I know like there's no ending to this haul, but your girl got a lot in the month of December and all things that are nice for the holiday season. Okay, now getting into this bag. Let's just start off with this. So I had 500 points, so I got this. It's Kat Von D, and it has like her setting powder, like a mini tattoo liner, 2 little perfume samples, then a mirror, and then a liquid lipstick. So they're all like miniature size, so I got that. Let me just wait. Oh my god, this next thing, I don't even know what it is. It's K Beauty. It is J1 Jelly Pack. So basically on the front it says dramatic firming skin with improved elasticity and pore smoothing. So it kind of acts like a primer, but it makes your skin feel so soft and so smooth. So it's like preps your face for like your foundation to have like a smooth canvas for when you do your makeup. Also says a true multitasking makeup gripper that combines a morning mask, so that's a plus, lifting treatment and primer all in one. So it's really great. I've been loving it so far. The packaging is so cute. It's all in white and it has written in Korean in the back, which is like, I think it's pretty cool. Like it adds character and stuff. The K Beauty products are always really good. So I'll be keeping you guys updated on what I think about that. I ran out of foundation, so my friend recommended to me the Hourglass Stick Foundation. She said that it was like really amazing and stuff, and so far I'm liking it. I have it on right now. I've been trying out different foundations, and so far I'm really liking this, and I've never used a stick foundation, so this is like really interesting to me. My shade is in Warm Ivory. Now that winter break is over and like we're all preparing for spring break, I gotta amp up my shade because yo girl, she's too light. I need a tan. I need to hit up the beach. Where the sun at? It is currently raining outside. What is this? I also stocked up on Brow Wiz because I had the pomade, but it didn't really give my eyebrows like a natural looking, you know, kind of feel. And I wanted to go back to the Brow Wiz, so I stocked up on this, and I also went a shade lighter. I got the shade Soft Brown, and I used to get, what shade did I get? Dark brown before, or like chocolate? No, it wasn't chocolate. Chocolate is too red. Last but not least, I know, we're almost there. Just 2 more products. Okay, that's not 2, that's 4. 2 more products. I went to Ulta and I got, you know, it's kind of a hype, but at the same time it's just like, you know, restocking my makeup products. It was a Tarte Shape Tape. So good. Oh my gosh. Again, under eye circles, not good for me. This is the best thing ever. I used to have to color correct. I kid you not, I used to have to color correct all the time. This, I don't have to. I just put this on, a layer, set it with powder, and I'm good to go. Like literally, I love this. If you have trouble with under eye circles, try this, get your hands on this. Your life will be saved. Your under eyes will be slaying. Thank you, Tarte. Thank you so much for this product. I love it. Light medium, Tarte Shape Tape. Boom. Now, last product. I've been dying to get my hands on these for give or take like a year. I saw a menu, enunciate and pronounce your words. Thank you, Jesus. So I saw Manny MUA mention this in one of his videos like a while back ago. I think he was testing out new products, so it was like about a year ago-ish. It is the Stila Glitter and Glow liquid eyeshadow. Oh my gosh. In the video, he used the shade Kitten Karma, and that's the one I wanted to get my hands on. It's like in a bottle, and it has like a really cool flat applicator. I've used this. It's a really easy tool to use if you want to like have a cut crease or something like that. It dries really well. The only thing is, if you put your finger to your eyelid, you will have fallout of glitter, and the glitter, depending on your eyelid shape, transfer onto your crease. That was my collective makeup haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. I know there was a lot of products. If you have any requests, please comment them down below and let me know what was your favorite product or what kind of makeup product you have bought in the last month. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Also, check out my Instagram. It'll be linked down below in the description box. I'll see you guys in my next video. Stay beautiful and stay confident.